Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to show you what ECU I'm using and how you can get to it in the easiest way. You can get it out and switch ECUs if you need to. I was told by my friend John, who said I don't need to use the Evo 8 ECU. I wish I would have known before purchasing it, but it wasn't that expensive. It was like $150. Not too bad. Good working ECU. Well, I guess I'll find out. So the ECU is located underneath. It's sorry about that. I had to take a phone call. It's back here. It's on the plate, and this is the Evo ECU right here. I don't want to put it back up there just in case if I have any problems. There's a bolt that goes on the bottom right here that has the grounding straps right there. Undo that, but you'll want to undo this to make it easier. There's a bolt. There's one bolt or a screw here, 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 and here. Make sure you get them out, and this will slide out. Just pull it out and you'll be good. Also, pull this out. There's a bolt right on this side, right there, and this pulls straight out. There's no clips or anything, no screws holding this in other than just the one right here, which goes right there. Pull that out, you'll be good. I was struggling a bit for these plugs. For some reason, they did not like me at all, and was having a bit of fun with that. But just unplug it. Evo 8 ECU works perfectly fine. You have to use an Evo 8 ECU if you are going to do a full ECU swap. Let's see. What else? Oh, and this, in order to get this out, because the ECU is attached to this, you just pull this out. It just slides right out. It is a little bit tough, so just give it a good little pull, and you'll be good to go. You can flash the Evo 8 ROM onto the stock 3G Eclipse ECU. John told me about that one, so I wish I would have known about that earlier, but oh well. All good. Let's see, anything else I'm forgetting? All right, just a little bit of an update. The factory, or the Evo 8 ECU that I do have, it does work. And I was able to get this working on it. Just got to make sure you have both plugs plugged in. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Next is oil lines. And by the way, I was able to get the car started, and this is a little bit further from the ECU install. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll show you what I did for that.